Welcome to our Silverson Customer Resource Centre. This is a space, it's our indoor mixing playground. We use it with our customers to introduce them to new machines, new ways of mixing, find out what works, find out what doesn't work. So today we're going to look at making an emulsion and we're going to see how we tackled it with the Silverson machine.
Yeah, so we have our hot process, comprises of two phases, a oil phase and a water phase. We all know that oil and water don't mix, and so once there is an emulsifier within the oil phase, Silverson allows us to homogenize and bring the two phases together, but it must be done at temperature. And we can create beautiful creams and lotions with this format. We have here our oil phase, which is isopropyl stearate, sweet almond oil, and some Emulsion Delta, which is a wax blend.
As the wax is currently in solid bead form, we're going to pop it down on this hot plate for a little while, wait for that to melt.
So once the oil phase has completely melted and all the waxes have dissolved, we're now in a position to add the oil phase to our water phase, which has also been heated to 70 degrees.
And immediately that emulsion's forming.
As the temperature goes down, we'll start to see the viscosity build.
But this machine has a temperature probe that also sits alongside the workhead in the product with a readout on the head unit so we can monitor that temperature as this is cooling, which of course for this one is really important, isn't it? Because we've got a target temperature that we're aiming for.
Yes, so we did our oil and water phase at 70 degrees. That allowed us to emulsify and combine it with ease. However, the aesthetic parts of creating a cream, like your fragrance, your color, your preservative systems, even your extracts, all need to be added below 40 degrees. So the temperature probe is amazing because it allows us to understand the internal temperature of the system. And once it's at the relevant temperature, we can then have that confidence to add all our preservatives, our fragrances.
Tumi, thank you very much for visiting today. I've certainly learned how these products are formulated and the components that go into it.
Absolutely. There are so many different variables and factors that we can consider, and I really enjoyed that Silverson have considered those things, which makes my scale-up process so much easier in the long term.